This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Plug the USB-C cable in and charge until the LED shows solid, because a full battery avoids interruptions. Once charged, press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to force pairing. This triggers the LED flash and places the headphones into discoverable mode. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings, find Crusher Evo, and tap to connect. You'll hear a voice prompt when linked. Make sure to accept any pairing requests, so audio and controls work immediately. Once paired, you'll want to shape the sound. Slide the bass control on the left ear cup to increase or reduce tactile low end. This changes feel as well as tone. Make sure to install the Skullcandy app on your device so you can apply EQ presets, run sound ID personalization, and update firmware. App updates often fix bugs and add features. Practice the on-cup controls for play, pause, skip, volume, and call handling. Short taps differ from long holds because knowing them saves time during use. For daily use, wear the Crusher Evo with the headband centered and cup sealed to your ears for best bass response, and fold them into a case when not in use to protect the slider and hinges. If you encounter glitches, perform a reset by holding power and volume buttons together for 10 seconds. This clears temporary states and often restores normal behavior. If pairing still fails, remove the headphones from your device's Bluetooth list, reboot the phone, and re-enter pairing mode. This fixes most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.